differential equation. So with these ones, we're going to look at differential equations that are in the form of y dash equals g of y. Now, from our last video, we looked at it by dividing by the g of y, so that we got the independent variables on one side and the dependent variables on the other. And we're going to do the same. For most of these, you will form exponential growth and decay formulas. And that includes Newton's law of cooling, which we have looked at in the in other videos. There's two ways to integrate y dash equals g of y. So you can do the reciprocal, or you can do the one that we looked at in the last video. So method one from the last video is dividing by the g of y, so 1 over g of y to y equals dx. Or you could take the reciprocal of both sides. So that is dx to y equals 1 over g of y. So, and integrate that way. So we're going to have a look at two examples. The first one won't necessarily get as an exponential, but it's just an example that, that can be used, and the second one will. So the first one, we're just going to use the reciprocal method. So do y dx equals 3 minus y to the 4. So reciprocate, you get dx to y equals 3 minus y to the minus 4. And then we're going to integrate both sides. So that gets us x equals 1/3 3 minus y to the minus 3 plus c. Now we're given that y of 0 equals 4. That means that when x is 0, y equals 4. So we substitute it in and find the value of c. So we substitute x is 0 and y is 4. Note that inside that bracket you're going to get minus 1 to the power of minus 3. So that's going to be a negative. So when you add it to the other side, c will equal to 1/3. And that gets us x equals 1/3 3 minus y to the minus 3 plus 1/3. Multiply everything by 3. And then subtract the 1. Remember, our aim is to get y in terms of x. So reciprocate both sides, and you then take the cube root and get y by itself. For the second one, once again, we're going to use the reciprocal method. So do y dx is equal to 3y minus 2. So the reciprocal of that, dx to y equals 1 over 3y minus 2. So that's going to be a log. So we get 1/3 ln 3y minus 2 plus the constant. It tells us when x is 2, y equals 1. So substituting that in, you get c equals 2. So that gets us x equals 1/3 ln 3y minus 2 plus the constant. And the constant was 2. So rearranging it, so you get 3x minus 6 equals ln 3y minus 2. Take the e of both sides, or log base e changes to base e to the 3x minus 6 equals 3y minus 2. So when you get y by itself, you get y equals 2/3 plus 1/3 e to the 3x minus 6. Thank you.